Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the prospects for tourists who are trapped here in Thailand due to COVID-19, post-amnesty. And a recent article from the Phuket News, that's phuketnews.com, it's titled, Tourists Get Unlimited 30-Day Extensions to Stay After Quote-Unquote Visa Amnesty Ends. And I've noted this, as I've cited this article before, it's a good article. Those who are watching this video, check that article out. And the Phuket News is a really good news source. But I think they're using a little bit, in my opinion, perhaps not the most precise language or perhaps the most accurate language when they say unlimited. I can see scenarios where somebody could effectively get unlimited status through this program until this crisis is abated, if you will, but it remains to be seen. And case by case, I do not think it's a foregone conclusion. I made a number of videos on this channel on that topic. I urge you to go to our videos on the channel. Just check out our overall feed. I've been doing videos on this basically at this point for days, specifically talking about how these ad hoc 30-day visas, or visa stamps, I should say, or just 30-day status stamps, are not anything akin to a sort of, in my opinion, they don't look to me like a long-term strategy for maintaining status. They're a temporary stopgap measure to deal with an unprecedented situation that, frankly, they're doing their best to deal with. Quoting directly, foreigners staying in the country on any form of tourist visa, and let's be clear, tourist visa. This does not pertain to non-immigrant visas. So those watching this who have a B visa, an O visa, OA retirement visa, ED visa, M visa for journalists, those folks, you're in a different situation. You're covered under different body of law. So back to quoting. Foreigners staying in the country on any form of tourist visa will be allowed to repeatedly renew their permits to stay with immigration for periods of 30 days at a time after the quote-unquote visa amnesty ends on September 26th, the Immigration Bureau announced today, September 3rd. Quoting further, Immigration Deputy Commander Major General Pornchai Kunti announced the news at a press conference held at the Immigration Bureau headquarters in Bangkok, saying that the cabinet had approved the move. So, as I've gone into detail in other videos, this is looking like it's going to be approved. There is going to be a mechanism for people to try and keep people from falling through the cracks. We've done videos on the fact that you need, for medical visas, you may be able to extend on medical grounds. You need documentation to prove it. If you otherwise just can't leave Thailand and you're seeking a letter from your respective embassy, your embassy may issue that letter, but as we've noted in other videos, they're only going to issue it if you can show, quote-unquote, compelling grounds. You know, they basically have gone to great lengths to state that, you know, just not wanting to leave Thailand is not good enough. You need to show cause why you need an embassy letter. That looks to me to be the way this regime is going to work in this sort of limbo period while we're hoping things return to normal. The long story short, and the thing to take away from this video is, yes, tourists look like they're going to be accommodated to one degree or another, but it is a very good idea, if you have the option to regularize your status, to convert into another visa status, to just regularize your status here in Thailand, it is a very good idea to seriously consider using that option, exercising that option, and I strongly recommend seriously considering doing so prior to the 26th of September. At least as of the time of this video, that's when the definitive amnesty ends, and who's to say what options you're going to have after the 26th has come and gone.